Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube creative studio Nebeská Crochet with Love. I hope you had a wonderful holiday, Christmas time spending with your loved ones, and let me wish you a really happy new year. And welcome to my studio, and today I again visit my favorite local shop. Hello, and I hope you will spend some time with me and we will look together at some new yarns which I will use for my winter models. What I'm looking for, I really love to choose some strong, chunky, bulky yarn which I would like to use for my turtleneck cardigan or turtleneck sweater. I would like to choose two colors, one light color like this light silver and one complementary color like this dark silver or dark gray. So what do you think about this combination? I think it's so cute, and there are so many colors available from Alize Super Lana Maxi. Yeah, this yarn is so nice as well, so I think it will be also perfect for my turtleneck cardigan. Let's look how many colors they have. You see, there are really nice colors which you can use for women, men, and also for kids models. Also for babies, they are so nice. Wow, look at this color, it's so cute. For babies you would definitely find some nice colors as well, and I absolutely love this yarn. It's Alize Super Lana Maxi, and it's 100 grams ball, and there are 100 meters, and it's a 55% acrylic yarn plus 25% wool. So this yarn is amazing, and I definitely will try it for you, and I will show you how pattern turned out. Now let's look at this absolutely new yarn. It's new for me, maybe you know it, but it's absolutely new for me. It's a Papatia Love glitter, and look at this, it's so shiny. And it has 100 grams and 360 meters in one ball, so it's quite a long yarn, and I think this yarn will be nice in combination black and white. Look at this white color, it's so luxury, it's so glitter. And I also love this dark blue. It's like a dark sky with stars. I think I fell in love. What do you think about this combination? Dark blue and white, or black and white? Well, I will definitely think about it, and I definitely will choose some yarn, and I will try to use it to create some winter models, and I think they will be perfect also for some tops and tunics. And now let's look at this yarn. It's yarn zebra, and I would like to choose some color for my boy pullover or sweater. I love this red and black combination. You see, there is always the main color with the complementary color like black or white. So this is the red with a black color, and you see there is a blue with white and red with white. I also love this black and white combination. Look at it. I think for my boy will be really cute because he loves, you know, more darker colors like dark blue or dark green or dark gray. This is also perfect. Maybe the sweater wearing with jeans will be amazing. And I would like to add some black yarn. There is no black yarn from zebra, so I have to choose the another yarn, and I think this is very similar. In one ball there is 100 grams and 200 meters, so it's the same, and it's acrylic yarn. So I will buy one more black yarn of this Spago yarn again, and I will use it for borders or maybe for the turtleneck or for some stripes. I will see. So this is the definitely a yarn which I will use. So now give me some time. I will think about the colors, about the colors combination, and also about the pattern. And in the second part of this video I will show you what yarns I finally chose and how the patterns turned out, and what I will create from the yarns. So if you are interested what I'm working on, let's keep watching. And you see, from Alize Super Lana Maxi I chose this really nice cream yarn. It has 100 meters in one ball, 100 grams ball, and it's 75% acrylic and 25% wool, and the recommended hook is 7 or 8 millimeters. And I would like to create a lovely turtleneck cardigan or maybe poncho, and I think this yarn Alize Super Lana Maxi, so pleasant, so soft and so warm, and it will be absolutely perfect to have a turtleneck around the neck from this pleasant yarn. I will use 8 millimeters crochet hook, and let me just show you the pattern which I will use, and the whole video tutorial you will find in my next videos later on. So I will use a very easy pattern. I will work in rows, back and forth, using single crochet stitches and back loop only, which this pattern creates a nice ribbing, you see. So working in back loops, single crochet stitches, back and forth, pattern your work when you finish the row, and you will create a big rectangle. Then you will join the sides and create a wonderful, pleasant, cozy turtleneck in a while. So guys, do you have any experiences using this yarn? Please put a comment below this video and let me know if you use it already, what you created. And yeah, I really love your feedback, so please let me know if you would like to try it and what you would like to create. And this is the second brand I chose from the shop. It's Papatia Love Glitter, and you see I chose this amazing shiny black color. Yeah, let me look at the ball. There is 100 ball, which has 360 meters. The recommended hook is 3 millimeters, and it's 97% acrylic yarn plus 3% polyester. And yeah, I can say that the crocheting with this yarn is very pleasant. I know that crocheting with black yarn, it's not very visible on video, so when I will create the video tutorial I will talk more to explain the pattern, but I'm sure you are so smart that you will definitely understand it. So I would like to use this black yarn to create a nice winter hat. It will be not so strong and not so warm hat. It will be like a city hat, and yeah, I will use black and white combination. So black will be the main color, and then I will create some pattern with the white yarn. Okay, so this is the base. I will start from the bottom. I will work from the bottom to the top of the hat, and yeah, easily create the bottom part with the ribbing stretchy pattern, and then I will add this white glitter yarn, and yeah, it will be so shiny hat. So are you looking for the pattern? So please stay in touch and I will share the pattern soon. And this is the last yarn I chose. Look at it, it's zebra. It's 100% acrylic. In 100 grams there are 200 meters. The recommended hook is 4 or 5 millimeters, and I would like to create a nice pullover, nice sweater for my son. Look at this, I already started. I use a very basic pattern using single crochet and double crochet stitches. I'm not sure which side will be the right side, so please let me know which side you like more, and I will definitely ask my son for his opinion as well. So this is almost the end of my video. I would like to thank you very much for watching, my crochet friends. I hope you enjoy the visit in my favorite local shop, and I'm also happy that I can share some samples what I'm working on. I would be really happy if you will subscribe to my channel, and we will be in touch. And I have a small gift, a small present for one of you. I will send you one skein, one ball of yarn Just let me know which yarn you would like to try and what would you like to create with it. Just easily put the comment below this video. So thank you, take care, and bye for now. Bye bye.